Welcome everyone. Our today's topic is clean technology and microbes and farming. So student, these two are the part of the lesson Introduction to Microbiology, and this is for class 10 part 5, and on the link of all parts of this lesson you will get in the description box. So let's start today's lesson. Alright, so our first topic in this session is clean technology. So human being has made a very fast progress in technology. However, environmental pollution is also increasing with the same speed. Now let us see the ways of control over air, soil and water pollution with the help of a microorganism. So microbes or microorganisms have the natural tendency or the natural ability of decomposing the man-made chemicals, and hydrocarbons and other chemicals are transformed with the help of these ability. That means a harmful chemical which causing harm to the environment, it can be decomposed by using microorganism. Alright, so some microbes remove the sulfur from fuel. So microorganisms are used to remove the sulfur from the fuels. And second one, the metals like copper, iron, uranium, zinc, etc. leach into environment from low quality metalloids. And these are converting into compounds before leaching with the help of a thiobacilli and sulfobacilli. So student, leaching is a process in which the harmful substances or chemicals are removing with the help of a microorganism, and here thiobacilli and sulfobacilli are used to remove or leach the harmful metals. Now student, you must have seen or read the news of dead fishes or oily water accumulated at the sea coast. Why does this happen? So spilling of petroleum oil occurs in ocean due to various reasons, and this oil may prove fatal and toxic to aquatic organism or aquatic life in like a plant life and fishes and all the other organisms which are living in the water bodies. So it is not easy to remove the oil layer from surface of water by mechanical method. It is very difficult. However, bacteria like Pseudomonas species and Inoculants, Borcumensis have the ability to destroy the pyridines and other chemicals. So by using the Pseudomonas and Inoculants bacteria, the oil or the pyridines or other harmful chemicals which are causing damage to the aquatic life, they can be easily destroyed. And hence these bacteria are used to clear the oil spill, and these are called as a hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria, that is HCB. And HCB or hydrocarbonoclastic bacteria decompose the hydrocarbons and bring about the reaction of carbon with oxygen, and carbon dioxide and water is formed in this process. So this is a way in which the oil spill or harmful chemicals which are there or which can be easily destroyed by using the bacteria. So here this is an image of Inoculants Borcumensis, and this is a Pseudomonas species which are used to destroy the pyridines and other harmful chemical in the aquatic. Alright, so plastic bottle are formed from the chemical substance that is PET, and PET means polyethylene terephthalate polyester. Nowadays, most of the urban garbage consists of these plastic bottles, and it has been observed that species like Vibrio, Legionella sacchariensis can decompose the PET. That means with the help of these bacteria which I have just mentioned, by using this bacteria, the plastic can be the PET which is there in the plastic bottle can be easily decomposed. And similarly, species of fungi like actinomycetes and streptomyces, nocardia, actinoplanes have ability of decomposing rubber from garbage. So in this way microbiology helps. So this is a picture of acidobacillus. Now next is a sulphuric acid is present in the acid rain and materials coming out of mines. You know that erosion of metal present in statues, bridges and buildings occurs due to it. That means erosion means the destruction of the statues, bridges, and building due to the natural forces like water, rain, acid rain. Okay, and sulfuric acid is a source of energy for some species of bacteria like acidophilium species and acidobacillus peroxidans. Hence these bacteria can control the soil pollution occurring due to the acid rain. So the source of energy for the bacteria like acidophilum species and acidobacillus peroxidans is sulfuric acid. So they clean up the sulfuric acid by having them. And this is a picture of geobacter. Alright, so water soluble salts of uranium are present in the waste produced during electroplating and in effluent release in environment from the atomic energy plant, and geobacter convert these salts of uranium into insoluble salts and thereby prevent those salts from mixing with groundwater sources. Alongside you can observe geobacter picture which convert the salts of uranium into insoluble salts. Next topic is microbes and farming. So here the microorganisms are also useful in the farming. Okay, so now next we have microbial inoculant. So inoculant is a process in which the microorganisms are introduced into the plant body just to increase the immunity against particular disease or particular pathogens. Now some microbes containing inoculants are produced by process of fermentation, and these inoculants are sprayed on the seeds before sowing, and some of the inoculants are released into the plant. That means these are directly injected to the plant's body, and microorganisms in the inoculant help in plant growth by supplying the nutrient to them, and they improve the quality of a vegetarian food, and solution containing azotobacter and artificial nitrogenase is used in organic farming. Organic farming is the farming in which no chemicals are using. It is natural one. Now soil pollution occurring due to chemical fertilizer is prevented due to use of this solution. And fluoroacetamide, you can observe the bottle of a fluoroacetamide alongside. So these fluoroacetamide like chemicals are mixed with soil due to use of a chemical pesticides in agriculture. Now pesticide these are used to kill the pest in agriculture field, and these prove to be harmful to other plants and animals as well as causes the skin diseases to humans. So these are very harmful. That is fluoroacetamide chemicals are very harmful, and these pesticides in the soil can be destroyed with the help of a microorganism. So microbiology helping everywhere in the field of agriculture, in the field of health, and everywhere it is helping, useful. Now next is bioinsecticides. Now bacterial and fungal toxin which can destroy the pest and pathogens can be directly integrated into the plant with the help of a biotechnology, and being toxic to insects, they do not consume the plant. Similar to bacteria, some species of fungi and viruses are useful as pesticide and spinoside, a byproduct of fermentation of biopesticide. So here we have seen the vast application of a microbiology in everywhere, in cleaning the environment, in agriculture field, in the field of a medicine, in the field of a health, and in the field of a different by using the microbiology we have different dairy products are or different eatables have been produced. So student, here we have finished a chapter, and next lesson from class 10th we can continue in our next session. So I hope you all have understood this introduction to microbiology. So let's say thank you.